Good afternoon, students. Welcome to Sri Vitti Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakramalayam, Namakkal district. Today we are going to discuss spot the error, plus 1 English, spot the error. Yesterday we discussed spot the error based articles. Today we will discuss the spot the error preposition. Listen guys, words like prepare, inferior, superior, prior, senior, juniors, exterior, interior and anterior. Once again, words like prepare, inferior, superior, prior, senior, juniors, exterior and interior, then anterior. That position should be followed by the preposition to and not by than. So what you understand? Than change to. For an example, I prepare coffee than tea. Than change to. Preposition to. I prepare coffee to tea. Mohan is senior than Guru. Listen. Mohan is senior to Guru. This is the right answer. Next one. The difference in the usage of between and among. Difference in the usage of between and among. Between, distribution involving only two persons and things. Distribution involving only two persons and things. Among, we have to use distribution involving more than two persons and things. Listen guys. Incorrect question. There is no friendship among Kala and Mala. Underline the word among. I will tell the correct answer. There is no friendship between Kala and Mala. So among change to between. Why? Because between we have to use the distribution involving only two person and things. More than two person we will use among. Two person and only two person and things we have to use between. Here among change to between. Next one. The brokers share the profit between themselves. This is an incorrect question. Right answer. The brokers shared the profit among themselves. Next one. Difference between the usage of besides and beside. Beside. By the side of. And besides, in addition to. Besides, in addition to. Adanudan kuda. Incorrect question. I can speak English beside Hindi. I can speak English beside Hindi. I will tell the correct answer. I can speak English besides Hindi. Listen. Beside change to besides. Besides change to beside. There is a church besides our school. Answer. There is church beside our school. Our school. Yes. Next one. The difference between the usage of after and behind. The difference between the usage of after and behind. After used with time and behind used with place. After used with time and behind used with place. First one, I never do any work behind 10 p.m. This is wrong. Here having error, behind change to after. Because after we have to use it with the time. So I never do any work after 10 p.m. Next one, my school is after the temple. This is wrong. After change to behind. My school is behind the temple. Next one, the difference between the usage of since and for. Since. I will tell the sentence. I have been studying in the school since 2013. Or I have been working in the school since 2013. So listen students. Since, it means the perfect continuous tense. We have to use the perfect continuous. Refers to specific time. And for refers to period of time. Example, it has been raining since 5 hours. Here, since changed to for. It has been raining for 5 hours. Next one, he has been working here for 2001. Here, for changed to since. He has been working here since 2001. Next one, the difference between the usage of on and upon. Listen once again. This on refers to things at rest. Upon refers to things in motion. I will tell the example. My book is upon the table. Here upon changed to on. My book is on the table is the right answer. The cat jumped on the wall. Here on changed to upon. The cat jumped upon the wall. Next one, the difference between the usage of in and into. In we have to use refers to things at rest, and into refers to things in motion. See, she jumped in the well. Answer, in changed to into. She jumped into the well. Next one, the difference between the usage of by and with. By and with. By used before a door or person. With used before instrument and object. Listen students, the letter was posted with Raja. This is the wrong answer. So which one is correct? Tell me. The letter was posted by Raja. Here with change to by. Next one, Brutus stabbed Caesar by a dagger. Dagger means knife, sword, katti. Name of the characters, you know, Brutus and Julius Caesar. Yes, Brutus stabbed Caesar by a dagger. By change to with. By change to with. Brutus stabbed Caesar with a dagger. Next one, known is followed by as, while called should not be followed by as. Listen guys, Patel is known the Iron Man of India. This is wrong. So which one is right? Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Patel is known as the Iron Man of India. Next one, the camel is called as the ship of the desert. The camel is called as the ship of the desert. The wrong answer. Listen students, the camel is called the ship of the desert. So no need write as. Next one. And this rule is very, very important. Some verbs will take their own prepositions only. Some verbs will take their own prepositions only. For example, listen to. Congratulations on. Listen the prepositions, very, very important. And hope for. Arrive at. In this rule, very, very important. Some verbs will take their own preposition. Listen அப்படிங்கிற verb to அப்படிங்கிற preposition எடுத்துக்கும். அதே மாதிரி congratulations அப்படிங்கிற verb பார்த்தீங்கன்னா on அப்படிங்கிற preposition அது எடுத்துக்குது. Some verbs will take their own prepositions only. Same, hope for, arrive at, succeed in, rather than, leave for, suffer from, knock at, meet with, good at, poor in, confident of, or about, sympathizes with, etc. Listen students, he is leaving to Chennai tonight. He is leaving to Chennai tonight. This is the wrong answer because leaving preposition for. Don't write to. He is leaving for Chennai tonight. Anand is suffering with fever. This is the wrong answer, students. Anand is suffering from fever. I listened the music. I listened to the music. This is very, very important. Answer to. Listened. Near should write the preposition to. I listened to the music. Santosh knocked the door. Santosh knocked at the door. You must write here at. Santosh knocked at the door. Raja met in an accident. Raja met in an accident. Raja met with an accident. Here in change to with. Raja met with an accident. Next one, Ramesh is good in English. This is wrong answer, students. Ramesh is good at English. At English. And Suresh is poor at mathematics. So here at change to in. Suresh is poor in mathematics. Okay. Confident near of. No need to write on. He is confident on his success. Very, very important repeated questions. He is confident of his success. This is a right answer. They have been accused for the murder. For. This is wrong. Right answer. They have been accused of the murder. The principal is angry on you. On you. This is the wrong answer, students. The principal is angry with you. On change to with here. I always sympathize for the poor. This is a wrong answer. I always sympathize with the poor. This is the right answer. Okay. Next one. The verbs discuss, describe, order, regret, request, stress and emphasize are transitive and therefore they cannot be used with the prepositions. Listen, incorrect question. He discussed about the matter yesterday. Students, discuss. Near no need to write the preposition about. Discuss அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு பக்கத்தில் நம்ம about எழுதக்கூடாது. He discussed the matter yesterday. This is the right answer. Next one. I have ordered for a cup of coffee. I have ordered for வரக்கூடாது. I have ordered a cup of coffee. He requested for எழுதக்கூடாது. For எடுத்துருங்க. He requested my help only. They described அப்படிங்கிற வார்த்தைக்கு பக்கத்தில் நம்ம about அப்படிங்கிற preposition போடக்கூடாது. They described about the scenery. This is a wrong answer. So which one is right? They described the scenery. We regret for the inconvenience. Students, we regret பக்கத்தில் for அப்படிங்கிற preposition வரக்கூடாது. We regret the inconvenience. This is the right answer. Once again, the verbs discuss, describe, order, regret, request, stress and emphasize are transitive and therefore they cannot be used with the prepositions. Okay, next one. Students, some verbs generally don't take prepositions. Some verbs generally don't take preposition. Very, very important rule. I will tell incorrect question. He discussed about the matter yesterday. This is the wrong answer. He discussed the matter yesterday. She entered into the room. This is wrong. She entered the room. He accompanied with his friends to Ooty. Students, accompanied பக்கத்தில் இருக்கக்கூடிய with அப்படிங்கிற preposition எடுத்துருங்க. He accompanied his friends to Ooty. He told to அப்படிங்கிற preposition கொடுத்துருக்காங்க. preposition told பக்கத்தில் toங்கிற preposition வரக்கூடாது. He told me that he was busy. Next, I have answered to all the questions. I have answered பக்கத்தில் to அப்படிங்கிற preposition எடுத்துருங்க. I have answered all their questions. So today we discussed the preposition based error spot. So listen well. So every example is very, very important and important here questions also. Thank you, students. Thank you to one and all. Presented by K. Yashoda, PG Assistant in English, Sri Vidya Bharati Metric High Secondary School, Sakrambalayam.